Hey guys, it's Nemanja Sekulic and welcome to our second monthly challenge. Oh, sorry guys, you cannot see me, let me fix that. Now it's much better. Hey guys, it's me, I already said everything, so this challenge, it's completely the same like a previous monthly challenge, but for you guys who are new to this channel and this type of challenges, let me tell you what it's all about. The point of this challenge is of course to challenge yourself. What's the point if that's not a point? So, challenge yourself, push the boundaries of your creativity and have even more fun with your files. I will give you 2 files that you can see here on the screen that you need to use to create this interesting photo manipulation, and you can find a link to download both files down there in the description. And of course you can add as many files as you want on top of those files to create anything that you can imagine, so push your imagination even further and probably you can find all the necessary images on pexels.com. After that you will have a deadline until the end of this month, until the end of June, to finish your photo manipulation and to send it to nemanjaschallenge@gmail.com. Send your final JPEG file. So just a JPEG file, no PSD, no anything else, just JPEG. All the files that you send after July 1st, I will not accept, so please send everything before July 1st. And after that I will take a few days to review all the files and to choose 3 most creative photo manipulation and to give them a big shout out. So because of that, with your files, with your JPEG images, please send me your first name, your last name and a link to one of your favorite social networks. Right guys, and for now this type of challenges are just for fun, there are no prizes, but who knows, maybe in the future if you manage to find some sponsors, there will be a prizes too. So if there are any companies watching this video and want to be our sponsors, that would be awesome. You can contact me at info@nemanjaschallenge.com and we can manage something out. Right guys, that's it for this video. Good luck to you all, have fun with your images and push the boundaries of your creativity. See you later this week in our regular tutorial video. Bye bye.